How's it going, guys? My name is Potato, and I'm bringing you a unboxing of a G703 LIGHTSPEED Logitech wireless mouse. This thing is amazing in every way, shape, and form. I absolutely love this thing. I want to say I have used it a little bit of it. I did unbox it a little bit ago. I got it for my birthday, and it has RGB lighting with LIGHTSYNC and is very intelligent, by the way. Very, very nice. It also has 34 hours of battery life with RGB on right here. This is the RGB right here. This mouse is very, very nice, very light, super, super light. This mouse is. And you also have this little tab right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little thing right here. But it's where you can put a one of these right here. You can put one of these beautiful looking weights, and this is 10 G's right here. This is 10 G's. You go ahead and put that in there, make the mouse a little bit heavier for yourself. I like my mice nice and light, kind of like me. You go. So I like this mouse so much that I hope I get literally sponsored by these guys because they're amazing. I hope I get more mice from them. Anyways, without the RGB lighting is going to be a 60-hour battery life, and then this one right here is a 34-hour battery life with the RGB light going. It's got the wheel, very, very nice. It's very, very nice. You can feel every single rivet every single time you go that. You got the buttons on the sides as well. And then you have the button on the top of the DPI. The DPI can go up to about, I believe, 32,000. Which is quite a lot. Oh no, I'm sorry, not 32,000, 16,000. My bad, sorry. But yeah, and it came with this right here. It came with this for the Wi-Fi. It's a G703. It plugs in right into a USB that you get with the box. You just plug it in any USB, and then you're gonna plug this right here. You're gonna plug it into this right here as well to charge it. You're just gonna go ahead and pop that sucker right in there. And that's how it's gonna charge, just like that. Very, very, very good mouse. I completely encourage you to go get this mouse. But yeah, the mouse will not work without this plugged into the USB. So be sure to never lose that or never lose the USB, because I don't know if you can get a replacement or not. But yeah, anyways, that's the LIGHTSPEED G703 Logitech mouse. I'm going to show you a little bit of the interface here. So let me go ahead and switch scenes. Boom. I hope you like the display. Anyways, this is what you're going to be looking at. You have the C920, which is my Logitech camera, and then you have these LIGHTSPEED G703 LIGHTSPEED here. You can do your pulling rate, you can do all these different things up to cycling. You can do screen sampler, you can do breathing, you can do fixed. It's all super, super nice, but I like mine to cycle. You can also do logos, everything else in between. You can set up macros all the way down from every single button to DPI cycle. You can set your DPI for specific games, you can set up macros. All these things, and it's also compatible with OBS, Discord, and Overwolf if you're feeling for that. And then you have your sensitivity DPI here, and this is all really, really nice. It can go up pretty freaking high, and then you have your report rate. With this report rate, I put it at 1,000 due to the fact that I wanted them to try to capture as much information as they can. If you want to set that to like the lowest it possibly can, that's fine too. Just go ahead and do that. But yeah, this mouse, it's great. I absolutely love this mouse. It's the best thing ever. And I believe this is called Logitech G Hub is what it asks you to download. Very easy. And everything that came with the box, let's open this up here. It came with this right here. I'm not sure what it is, but it's something. I'm not sure what the freak that is. And then it comes with like your manual here, and then obviously the warranty. And And then it also gives you like your instructions on what to do. This is like the instructions for dummies. And yeah, that's the Logitech G703. I suggest you guys go get this mouse. This mouse is literally amazing. There is no delay, there is nothing of the sort at all from what I have noticed. It's probably one of the best mice I've ever had. And right here it says max charge is 34 hours. That's the max charge with RGB lighting on, okay? So yeah, and it also will turn red when the battery drops below 15%. I haven't not yet experienced that. I can't go through a single day so far where the battery drops below, I want to say below, gosh, 35%, maybe 40%. The battery is long lasting and it's very, very reliable. So anyways, that is the Logitech G703, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing review. It's be my first one. It probably needs work, but hey, you know, it is what it is. Anyways, guys, have a good night. Take care, and I'll see you later.